Hi guys, something different today. I'm at a different location, so yeah, a bit strange. But what I wanted to show you was 3 new items from Border Models. So let's have a look at them. Okay guys, so let's have a look at this. This is the DKM Type 7C U-boat conning tower from Border Models. It's 35th scale, so it's pretty cool. Now, this is not a complete U-boat. You're only getting the conning tower and the parts of the foredeck and rear deck. So let's have a look. Have a look on the side, you'll see what I mean. You're getting lots of detail. So that's pretty cool. So in the box, have a look at this. There's quite a bit. But let's have a look at the main structure first. This is what you're going to build onto. So this is the deck.
Just put it down here. A bit further down and then point it up. Yep, there you go.
So they get, look at all the detail. It's massive. And it's a big unit. So there's plenty there that you're going to be able to build onto. So this is your base. This is what you're going to start with. So then we've got, this is all part of the tower. So this is all structures, part of the periscope structure there. So that's pretty cool. This is part of the gun section. So this is the rear part. This is where the light gun's going to sit. And torpedoes, because you can actually have this with them loading the torpedo in it. There is a couple of figure sets for this too. So if you want to put some figures with it, you can do so. This is part of the upper bridge part of the deck there. What else have we got here? Just more little bits and pieces. This is, I think this is part of, this is part of the deck. So these are all the hatches and bits and pieces there. This is all little pieces go on inside the actual conning tower. And there's the main part of the conning tower. So that's really well done. A little bit of detail up in the top part, obviously not needed in the bottom part. Very, very nicely done. Nice big instruction book. Gives you all this detail for loading the torpedo and all that sort of stuff. So that's really well done. And there's your decal sheet and a bit of brass. The only thing I haven't seen is the gun. It's got to be around here somewhere. Oh, look at all, this is all the railing. This has all been fully protected. That's just a box structure around the railing. So that's really, really well done. So that protects that. But I haven't seen the gun. Oh, there it is, part of there. So there you go. So look, this has been well talked about. A lot of people have been waiting for this. Should look really nice when you really do it up. A lot of people can have a lot of fun with this and the way it's all detailed. So there you go. Okay guys, now well there's another one. This is a Panzer IV, Panzer V, no it's not, it's a Panzer IV, it is Panzer IV, Ostj, early mid. So this comes with this flat car. If you have a look on the side here, not only you get the tank, but you also get this flat car. So that's another nice little setup for you if you're doing a diorama or just want to do it as a different display. This is based on their original Panzer IV, so you get all the normal bits and pieces for the Panzer IV, lots of that. There's the hull, turret included there, so that's pretty cool. Wheels and things, that's all your track parts. And this is the flat car. So this is all the main parts for that, going on to that. A bit more pieces for the flat car. Decal sheet, there's some etched metal, if I can pick it up. Oh yeah, that's probably for the sides of the Panzer IV, so that's correct. And this is more for the rolling stock as well. So you sort of get 2 kits in one, but you can sort of base the whole kit all together as one unit, so that's pretty cool. It's in 35th scale, so for the 35th scale modelers, something very nice. Very nicely detailed, but as I said, if you've already done their Panzer IV in any, this is all the track bed, track ties, rail, so that's all pretty cool. So quite a full box. So there you go, another nice one from Border Models. So here's another one from Border. This is the new 35th scale Tiger early production. This is July to August 1943 Kursk. So If you've done some of their Tigers already, you know what to expect here. It's a nice full box, lots and lots and lots. There's your hull and turret base. Etched metal is in there as well. Lots of little detail. So these are not kits that you just sort of throw together. They're going to take you some time. All the trackers in here to put together, so it's all just easily locked in. And there's your base. So that's your turret deck and things like that. So back walls, etched metal, markings for Kursk vehicles or tanks at Kursk. So look, it is a lot of people just saying just another Tiger, but you know what? It's like ME109s. Everybody loves Tigers. Everybody wants to do one. This is just another version that you can throw together, so that'll be a nice one as well. So if you're looking for just that little bit different Tiger, as I said, there's all these choices of markings for it. So that's pretty cool. But there you go. So guys, this is 3 of them we've shown you, but there are a couple of others, especially the new Kodiak. That's also come in. We've also got restocks of the 35th scale Stuka, so that's also quite nice. So have a great day. Different location. Talk to you then. See you later, guys. Bye.